Hey guys, how's it going? Blue Wolf here. Uh, this episode we're going to be opening 2 next Destiny packs. So, let's hope for the best and see what we're going to get. Start off with a Growlithe, Kricketot, Seedot, Staryu, Vanillite, EXP share for first uncommon, Frillish, Jigglypuff, double colorless energy for reverse hollow, and our rare is a Moltres, 120 HP. It's a hollow foil also. Searing Flame, 50 damage. Defending Pokemon is now burned. And Fire Blast for 90 damage. Discard a fire energy attached to this Pokemon. It's not too bad. Now let's see what we're going to get from the next pack. We got a Cubchoo. I'm probably not going to say this right, but Elgium, something, Meow, Munna, Pikachu, double colorless energy for uncommon, Lampent, Vanillish, and Luxray for reverse hollow, and Zapdos. That is 2 of the 3 birds opened in one video. 120 HP, Random Spark. It does 50 damage to one of your opponent's Pokemon. And 50x for Thundering Hurricane. Flip 4 coins. This attack does 50 times the number of heads. So, if you enjoyed watching 2 birds get open, then hit that like button. Tell me what you think in the comment section. And remember to subscribe to see more awesome pulls. Till next time, bye.